Good morning, kids. Welcome back to English online class. So, children, we have learned double E and double O sound words. Today, we will be learning double L sound words. It's L. So, let us start. Write today's date and day on the top left corner. Give heading double L sound word. So let us start. Number 1, all. Ball. Call. Fall. Hall. Mall. Tall. Wall. And small. L. L. It's a measurement of length used for textiles. Bell. Cell. Fell. Hell. A unpleasant place. Tell. Well. And smell. So children, write these words in your notebooks and learn. Thank you. Have a good day.